All right, welcome back. Today we are going to have a very special episode from a sweet little girl. So, hi,
Hi,
what's your name?
Valini.
Valini. Valini, how old are you?
7.
7 years old. Oh my God. I remember the day you were born. So, from that day to 7 years, time flies. And which school do you go to?
Don Bosco.
Don Bosco School. All right. So, Valini is a very special, sweet child. Because I know her mother for all these years, I made her mother's 18th birthday cake, 21st birthday cake, her wedding cake, her baby shower cake, and then since Valini has been celebrating her birthday every year with special cakes. So Valini, warm welcome to you for joining today's Choco Cakes Little Chefs. Are you excited?
Yes.
Awesome. So do you know what we're going to make?
A cake.
No, we are going to make cookies today. And they're not some ordinary cookies, they're going to have sprinklers. Do you know what these are? These are sprinklers. Alright. So we are going to make the cookies and then we are going to put them to bake. We're going to add these sprinklers on top. So they're going to look nice and colorful.
Okay.
Alright. So first, let me walk you through all the ingredients. Okay.
Okay.
We have butter. We have powdered sugar. We put sugar in our milk, no? The same sugar, but this is powdered. Okay. We have some milk. Yeah. And maida, vanilla essence, and we have the sprinklers.
Yes.
Okay. So first what we are going to do is we are going to add the butter. Do you want to add the butter into this bowl?
Yes.
Yeah. I'll hold this for you. Just put it down.
The whole thing.
The whole thing, yes. The butter is what adds the flavor and the crunchiness to the cookie. You know, when you bite into the cookie, it's got a little crunch, isn't it? So it's the butter and the sugar that we are going to mix. Okay, that is going to make the recipe of the cookie very nice.
Okay.
Okay, so we have taken all the butter. To this now we are going to add the powdered sugar.
Yeah.
What did I tell you? What sugar is this? This is the
Powdered sugar.
powdered sugar. Okay, so we just add that to this, and then using this whisk, we're just going to keep like chakki pisoing types. Okay, so this, yeah. Okay, keep doing that really hard and well. Okay, till the sugar and the butter are creamed together. Okay, so Valini, tell me, what do you like to do at home in your free time?
Play out.
You like to play. Do you like to make anything in the kitchen with Mama? What do you do normally in the kitchen with her?
Help her cut the vegetables.
You cut vegetables, really?
Yes.
Which is your favorite vegetable then? What do you
Carrots.
like? Carrots, yeah. Now it's in the season also, no? Because of the winter, there are a lot of carrots that you'll get. See, as you keep mixing the butter and the sugar together, it becomes white in color, isn't it? The
Yes.
butter was yellow, now it's becoming white.
Yes.
Come on, little more jor say. Do like chakki pisoing. Yes, I'm holding it tight. Come on. Let it become as white as you can. This is a technique which is called as a creaming method. Okay, so we're making it like a cream. Yeah, are you tired, Valini? Do you want me to help you?
That's okay.
That's okay. That's nice. So you like to cut vegetables and carrots are your favorite vegetables.
Yes.
Okay. And what about making something with your mama? What do you like to eat and what is the one thing that's your favorite?
Yeah, now my favorite is everything except Karela.
Except Karela, everything is your favorite. That's nice. Okay. Now let me help you here a little bit. It's becoming a little difficult for you, so I'm just going to help you do this. You can take help of an elder if you want for this. So the idea is to mix the butter and the sugar together and make it really like a cream in white in color. As you can see here, okay, the cream has become totally white in color. Okay, it's a very simple recipe, Valini, and you can go back home and make this also. Once you've done this, we add the milk. Okay, so we are going to add the milk in this. Yeah, and we are going to add the, what is this, did I tell you?
Vanilla icing.
Vanilla essence, yes. So the vanilla essence gives a nice fragrance and flavor to the cookies. Now we'll mix this also. This is not going to be so hard for you. Okay, splashy everywhere. Yeah. Okay, so while you're mixing, Valini, we have put the butter, the sugar, we put the milk and the vanilla essence, and now we are going to add little by little maida into this. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so it will all come together. Mix it. If you get tired, you can tell me, I can help you. So in the fruits, you don't like Karela and vegetables, you like all other vegetables. In fruits, which is your favorite fruit?
Orange.
Orange, yeah.
I have
And-
like 2 favorites.
Okay, which is your other favorite fruit?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
And blueberry.
And blueberry. So you like all berries, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So only now we are getting a lot of strawberries, isn't it? It's strawberry season and we are getting a lot of strawberries now. So did you eat a lot of strawberries in this season?
I am.
You love them, isn't it? They're nice, tasty. Yeah.
Because I always take them for tiffin.
Oh, you take it in the tiffin also. Very nice. Yes. Now mix it together.
Now it's becoming like dough.
Yeah, it will become like a dough because it's a cookie, isn't it? It's
Yeah.
not a cake. So it's not going to be the consistency of pouring. It is something that we can hold with our hands and mold it into a cookie. Yeah. So let's mix this together. Okay. We still have a lot more maida left. Okay. So we'll add that also. Can you see? It's becoming like a dough now. The
Yes.
remaining maida we'll add into this. Okay. And we will mix it together. So, what do you like to play? Who are your best friends?
In school?
At home, in school?
In school, I have a very lot of best friends.
Okay.
But in
Hmm.
societies,
Hmm. Where you stay? You have friends there too?
yeah.
Okay.
So in societies and all,
Hmm.
there are only 2-3 friends.
There are only 2-3 friends.
Yeah.
Okay. But in school, you have a lot of friends.
In school, I have a lot.
So, which is your favorite subject, Valini?
English.
English. Very
Sorry,
nice.
grammar.
Just like me. So high five on that. Alright, so the doughs come together of our cookie. Now what you're supposed to do is take a little bit of the dough in your hand like this. I'm going to show you one, the rest you have to do, okay? It's kind of thick. Okay, so take it, make it like a dough
Roll
like this.
it.
Yeah, roll it. Make it flat, okay, really flat. And then dip it in this, both the sides. And place it on the tray.
But that's okay if not little is put.
Yes, that's fine. You have to make big chunky cookies.
Like this.
Yeah. Yeah, let me help you. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Now make it flat like this with both your hands. Lovely. You're good at this, Valini. Have you tried baking with your mom? Trying to make some sweets? Now you should go back home and teach your mama how to make these cookies. Yeah? On the other side. Well done. Do you know your mom also likes to cook and bake? She's very good at it. I remember she telling me that. Yeah. Some more dough for you. Open your palm like this. Huh?
There's a lot of oil.
It's not oil, it's the butter.
Oh.
I told you, no? First make it like a... So it's the butter which adds the flavor to the cookie. Okay. Okay, I think that's a little extra. So we're going to remove a little bit so that all of our cookies come out in the same shape and size. Okay. Yeah. Well done. Put it in that. Yes. Do you like the multicolor sprinklers on top? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. You can put any shape you want. It will get baked. We don't bake in this tray. Huh? This tray is not for baking. We have a separate baking tray. So we'll put it in that. And we put it in the oven and let it bake for say 15 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Now, kids, if you all are making this recipe at home, remember to take help from your parents. Ovens are really hot. It's not safe for you to do it alone. So do take the help of your elders. If you don't have an oven, you can just take a cooker, okay, and heat it and put a little bit of sand on top, put another plate and place a steel plate along with these cookies and put the lid without the rubber and let it bake. So that's your way of doing it at home if you don't have an oven. So our cookies are ready. Are you happy? Can we put it to bake now?
Yes.
Awesome. All right. All right, Valini, we have put our cookies to bake. Okay, and while our cookies are baking, I'm going to ask you some quick questions. All right.
Okay.
Okay, so vanilla or chocolate?
Vanilla because it matches my name.
Oh, nice. Vanilla and Valini. V for vanilla and V for Valini. Nice. Okay. And if you had to make a special dish, okay, a special sweet dish, what would you make?
A dessert.
A dessert. Okay, and for whom would you make it?
For my brother Leon.
Oh, and what does Leon like to eat?
Ice cream.
He likes ice cream. Okay, okay. So, Valini, you said you like strawberries, you like all kinds
Blueberries.
of blueberries, all berries, yeah? Okay, so let's imagine that we are building this nice dessert for Leon with all berries. Okay, so what is going to be in the first layer, you think?
Strawberries.
Strawberries. Okay, and then what? We're going to add chocolate or vanilla cream. What else are we going to
Vanilla.
add? Vanilla cream. Okay, and
Then on the other layer, blueberries, and then on the top, the third layer, strawberries, full, and blueberries.
nice, very nice. So fully just layered with blueberries and strawberries and all. Okay,
Yeah.
nice, very nice. Okay, so
With,
Elmi,
with whipped cream.
with whipped cream, we can't forget that, can we? Yeah. So Elmi, tell me one thing, that what do you like to do besides helping your mom? Do you like to play with your friends, and what else do you do?
Yeah, I like to play with my friends. I even like to play with my brother.
Huh. And do you have a pet at home?
Yes, I have a pet in my nanny's home.
Okay. And
Not
what
in
is?
my home.
And do you like playing with the pet? What is your pet's name?
Its name is Zeus.
Okay, nice. So tell me, if you had to imagine yourself to be a dessert or a cake, what would you be? So imagine Valini has to be what?
A vanilla ice cream.
A vanilla ice cream, because V for vanilla and V for Valini. So what did you really enjoy this cookie that we made? Which was the best part of the entire cooking making process? Making the small cookie doughs.
Yes.
And yeah. So will you go back home and make these cookies again with your mom and for your
Yes,
brother?
Yes, but we don't even really have that ingredients.
No, you'll have all those ingredients at home. It's got butter, it's got sugar, it's got maida, and it's got vanilla essence. and
Any
milk.
sugar, right?
Any sugar. The sugar that we put for our tea, coffee, you just have to grind it in the mixture and use it.
Okay.
So that is the joy of our recipes, that you don't have to go out and buy something specifically. Whatever is available at home, with that only you can make.
Okay.
If you don't have the sprinklers, what else can you add in your cookie then?
Choco chips.
Choco chips you can add almonds, you can add kaju, yes, you can add all of them. Kishmish and all, yeah. You can add any of the dry fruits if you want. You can add choco chips, you can add peanuts, you can even add peanut butter in it. It will be very tasty,
Yeah.
right? So now is the time for us to taste the cookies that you've made and then decide how it turned out. All right?
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so before we actually taste, let's do a high five, Alani, because you are now officially a chef. You made a cookie. So do you want to taste and tell us how the cookie is?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do this. Yeah, go on. How is it?
So the butter and all these dough is soft and it's crunchy.
It's soft and it's crunchy, isn't it? And can
Yeah.
you taste the sprinklers?
Yeah.
Yeah. So how would you rate this cookie out of 10?
It's very yummy, so I would rate it a 10 on 10.
Very good. So let's do an high five on that too. Well done. So Valini, thank you so much for coming. You can have that cookie. You can carry these cookies for your brother and everybody in the house as well. All right. Thank you for coming. We're also going to give you a certificate and a goodie bag.